In this example, we're going to learn how to use the IPC feature in v9.7 inter-process communication, and we'll try to send messages within within a workflow. So let's go ahead and create a new workflow definition, and let's call this IPC Within. We're going to have two parallel paths on this particular workflow. Now let's go ahead and create the first one. I'm going to use my template steps here, and let's go ahead and let me just search for a task step. And so I have the first path here, and next I'm going to put a wait for message. And we're going to tell wait for ACK. ACK, so that's the message we are waiting for. And now there's a new step in 9.7 called send message. So we're going to use the send message step. Once the approval happens, and we're going to call this send ACK. And also you can see there are a bunch of selections here how you want to send messages. So we want to send messages within the same workflow, so we're going to pick current, and let's put a placeholder step here because we want to see the execution. Okay. And so when we start this workflow, both of these steps are going to execute, and this step is going to wait until this step the task is completed. Once the task is completed, this next send ACK is going to execute, and it's going to send a message across to this step. And as soon as this step gets it, it's going to go ahead and execute the next decision step. So let's go ahead and save this workflow, and let's go ahead and create a new instance, and let's execute it. Now let's go and look at our workflow instances. Okay. Currently, you can see that it's waiting on manager 1. Let's go ahead and render it. So you can see both of these steps are waiting. I'm going to go to my tasks here, and I'm going to go ahead and complete it. So let me go to the task list. And we want to complete the one from IPC Within. Soon as I approve this, you will see that this step will execute, and then this will send the message to this step, and the workflow will finish. So as you can see, it happened in the background, since our engine is running in the background, and it completed the workflow.